Hello all, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to explain about image augmentations and MLOps basics. To keep the video shorter, I have kept the application up and running. Okay, so these are the various endpoints that you can use for this application. For the demo purpose, I'm focusing on augmentation. So let me choose this endpoint. Yeah, so the user interface looks like this. As soon as you load any image, the original image is shown here, and if you perform any augmentation, the augmented image is shown here. And these are the various parameters that you can pass for each augmentation type. And what these augmentation means, a small description about each augmentation type is shown here, and it will get updated as soon as you select a different augmentation. So for the demonstration purpose, I'm considering rotation, noise, brightness, and affine. Okay, so let's see how this application is functioning. Let me select a simple image for a demonstration purpose. I'm considering this image. Yeah, so it's a cat image, and we'll see, like, if in case I'm applying some augmentation, how the augmented image will look like. Okay, so in rotation, what happens? Rotates the image by specified angle while preserving the image content and dimensions, and the recommended range is -30° to +30°. Okay, so let me apply some. Yeah, so you can see I have applied a 10-degree rotation, and the image is rotated for 10 degrees. Let's say if in case I'm applying 25°, you can see it is rotated a lot. And now I will just apply -5 and -15. Yeah, so you can see the original image and the augmented image, and the augmentation is applied, and in the real time you can see how is image is getting augmented. Okay, and now let's select the another one, that is the noise. You can see it's a lot of noise is applied on this original image. So here, like, what is happening in this augmentation, so it is adding Gaussian noise to this image. Okay, and the recommended range for the testing purpose is 0.01 to 0.1. Okay, so let me provide 0.1. You can see small dots are getting shown on this image. If in case I'm applying 0.3, you can see the dots are increasing. Let me apply 5 and 0.75. Yeah, okay, and the more noise is applied as soon as you are increasing the parameter values. Let's see about the brightness. For example, I have removed everything. You can see the original image, and the recommended range for this augmentation is 0.5 to 1.5. Okay, so now I will apply, let's say, 0.9. Okay, and yeah, there is some darkness, and let me say 1, let me say 1.2. You can see the image is getting more brightened. 1.5, let's make it 2. See, okay, it's a highly brightened image now. And last one is affine. So this transformation is a combination of rotation, scaling, and various things, and various geometric transformation are applied here. And recommended range is 0.5 to 1.5, and let me apply 0.6. Okay, so various transformations are applied on this image. Okay, so this is all about image augmentation. Now let's see simple MLOps and how it works. Yeah, so here what I have done, like, I provided a readme.md file, and all the files and all the applications which are related for this applications are here. Okay, so basically what it does, like, this application, it trains the basic neural network model. Okay, and what are all the criteria where we can say this model is performing well, and how the test cases are getting passed. Similar test cases have been written over here. And let's see if in case I'm moving this or let's see, like, if in case I'm moving this application to GitHub, what happens, how MLOps is getting applied here, that we will see. Okay, yeah, so I'm adding all the files, git commit, mm, yeah, so now the application is moved to Git, and in Git there is a component that is GitHub Actions, and that's where this MLOps operations will be performed. So you can see the model will get automatically trained. Okay, for example, like what all operations are happening over here is shown here, and it is installing dependencies. This is a really wonderful tool which Git is providing. You can see similar actions over here as well. Okay, so the jobs are completed. Let's see like what all things are happened here. Yeah, so image augmentation tests have been passed. This is the detailed summary. Okay, yep, and here you can see the job is completed. Yep, yeah, so all the operations are successfully performed. Here you can see the model test, the parameters which are less than 25,000, and the accuracy which is achieved, which is greater than 95%. That's really great. Yeah, and the augmentation test, all the tests with respect to rotation, noise, brightness, and affine, all tests have been passed. So yeah, so you can clone this particular application and you can test it yourself, and if you face any issues and all, please feel free to reach out to me. That's all for this video. Thank you.